Let me introduce you to the course Income Tax Law and Practice. Income tax is an important direct tax. It is a prominent and most significant source of revenue to the government. Government needs money. There are two types of taxes, direct and indirect. Direct taxes are those taxes whose ultimate burden is on taxpayer. Income tax is a direct tax. The person on whom this tax is imposed, he has to bear all the burden of this tax. Who is liable to pay tax? Every person whose taxable income is for the financial year is exceeding to the minimum taxable limit is liable to pay income tax, whatever the tax liability that is to be paid. After completing this course, students will be able to understand theory as well as practical aspects of the Income Tax Act, and he can be a good tax consultant. Thank you very much.